Geometry. Point, line and line segment. Point. Take a sheet of paper. Take a fine pencil. Now, mark a sharp dot with it on a paper sheet. Name it, say, X. We say that X is a point. So, a sharp or a fine dot represents a point. Line and line segment. Activity 1. Take a rope. Let one pupil hold one of the two ends and the other end by the other child. Ask the pupil to stretch the rope straight. We say that it forms a straight line. Activity 2. Take a long strip of paper which is like our straight line. Cut it into 3 pieces. We get 3 straight pieces of paper. Each piece is of the original long strip of paper. We say each paper is a line segment of the original straight line. A line segment is a part of a line. Representation of line. We show a line with arrowheads at both ends. Look at the figure. So there is an arrow at one end, another arrow at the other end. The arrowheads at each end tell us that the line continues without end. The line segment is like a straight line but without any arrows at the end. Types of lines. Horizontal line is also called as sleeping line. Vertical line or standing line. And then you have slanting lines. Draw straight lines using a ruler. You have learned how to draw lines with a free hand. Now we use a ruler or scale to draw straight lines. Take a ruler and place it on a paper. Step 1. Move a sharpened pencil along the ruler. Now remove the ruler. See, you have drawn a straight line. Plane figures. Plane figures or shapes are those which can be drawn on a flat surface such as a paper sheet. Look at the figure A, B, C, D. It is a plane figure. We see 4 straight lines AB, BC, CD and DA and 4 corners A, B, C, D. You have a triangle here, vertex. Each corner of a plane figure is called its vertex. Side. The straight lines forming a plane figure are called its sides. Did you know? Plural of vertex is called vertices. Triangle. A triangle is a plane figure which has 3 corners or vertices. A triangle also has 3 sides. Square. A square is a plane figure which has 4 equal sides. A square also has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure which has 4 sides and 4 corners called vertices. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now let us learn about a circle. Put a coin on the plane of your paper and move a pencil around it. The figure so obtained is a circle. A circle has no corners, no vertices. Solids. A plane shape has only length and breadth, that is 2 dimensions. On adding the 3rd dimension in a plane figure, we generate a solid shape. So a solid shape has length, breadth and height, that is 3-dimensional. Some of them are discussed below. Cuboid. Look at the shape of different objects shown below. Do you have an eraser? Right. What is the shape of the eraser? Cuboid. How many of you have seen a matchbox? And what is its shape? Cuboid. What is this? A box. And what is the shape of the box? Cuboid. What is this? Almara. What is it? A cuboid. Then we have a book, we have a table, we have a suitcase, microwave oven. These are all called cuboidal objects. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. All the faces of a cuboid are rectangular in shape. There are 2 more faces, the front face and the back face. Here in the picture, you can see 4 and 2 are there in the front and the back. Then you have vertex. How many vertex are there? 8. And how many edges are there? You have 12 edges. And you can see clearly in the pictures. Cube. A cube is a special shape of a cuboid with all sides of the same length. Some of the shapes of a cube is shown below. Ice cube, dice, gift box. So all these have the same length. A cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each face of a cube is a square. A cube also has a front face and a back face. So you can see the pictures, children. Okay, 4 are being shown and other 2 are front and back. Then you have 12 edges and the vertex you have 8. Let us learn about a sphere. Have you seen a ball? A ball has a spherical shape. Some types of balls are shown below. Cricket ball, football, marbles, woolen ball. So some more spherical shapes are given below. Orange, globe, watermelon. A sphere has one face. A sphere has no vertex, no edge. A sphere has a curved surface. Cylinder. Look at the electrical tube, pencil, crayon, etc. They are of cylinder shape. Some more cylindrical shapes are shown below. So you all have a tube light, electric tube, right? It is cylindrical in shape. Then you have a drum, a garden roller, a battery cell, crayons, water bottles, candle, gas cylinder, pencil. So you know how a cylinder looks like. So a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges. So a cylinder has no vertex. 2 faces of a cylinder have plane surfaces and 1 face is a curved surface. Cone. Children like to eat ice cream cone, which is a shape of a cone. Some more cone shapes are shown below. Ice cream cone, you all like it? Right. Conical cap, conical tent, funnel, carrot, turnip. All these are cones that we see in our everyday life. A cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge and 2 faces. One face of a cone has a curved surface. The other face of a cone has a plane surface. Edge of a cone is also curved. Critical thinking. Rohan has drawn a figure using different types of lines. Count the number of horizontal, vertical, slanting lines in the given picture and write the number in each of the given blank boxes. So we have 3 different lines, children. Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. So can you count them? Horizontal line, right? So 12 lines. So write 12 in the box. Now count vertical lines and tell me the number. Again 12, children. Correct answer. Now let us count slanting lines. 10. Correct. So very good, children.